Having trouble finding flag football drills for kids? Athlete Era makes it easy. Hello, I'm Tobias, and today I'm going to show you 3 simple drills that work on route running, as well as some key things to look out for. Let's get into it. Now the first drill we got is called Hot Potato. This is a great game to get players moving at the start of practice. Start by setting up 4 cones in a 20 by 20 meter space. Have players get in groups of 4 and stand in a circle about 4 meters apart. Now the objective of the game is to keep the ball off the ground. One player starts with the ball and tosses it to another player in the circle, who quickly catches it and tosses it to someone else. If a player drops the ball, they have to run around the cone behind them before returning to the circle. Coaches encourage players to enjoy this one. This is a great one to introduce making a tight turn around a cone. Now the second drill we got is called Route Running Relay. Now this is a great drill to introduce players to the different types of routes. Start by setting up 2 route trees in an open space on the field. Divide players into 2 teams and have each team form a line behind the starting cone. Now the objective of the game is to finish running the route faster than the other team. The coach will call out what route players will run and then yell go. The first player from each team will sprint to the center cone, then complete the route. Coaches maybe start by repeating a few of the simple routes before switching it up. Now the last drill is called the Route Wheel. Now this is a simple drill to get players catching a ball after they've run a route. Split players into groups of 4 and have them make a square. Have 2 players in the square start with the ball. The players with the ball will be the quarterbacks, and the players without the balls will be the receivers. The objective of the drill is to practice running routes and making the catch. The coach will start by calling out which route to run and then yell go. Players will then complete the route and make the catch. Once the receiver catches the ball, they run the ball back to the quarterback on the other side. Coaches, remember, start by working on your short routes before progressing to your deeper routes. Now remember, these players are learning, which means at times they may need a little bit of help. Here are a few key things to look out for. First off, remind players to always start in their 2-point split stance with their front foot on the line of scrimmage. Second, use short, choppy steps and sink the hips down when changing direction. Third, remind players to get their head up and find the ball with their eyes. And lastly, remember to watch the ball all the way into your hands. Now that you're all ready to go with some new drill ideas for next practice, as well as some helpful coaching tips for your players, be sure to check out the free Athlete Era app. And to stay up to date with the latest Coaches Crash Course videos, subscribe now.